You know that feeling when your earbuds just don't fit right? It's like wearing a scratchy sweater all day. But the Apple AirPods 4? Totally rebuilt for comfort. Now let's talk personalized spatial audio. It's like a concert in your ears, fam. The sound just wraps around you. Picture this. You're in a crowded place, trying to chat. The H2 chip brings in voice isolation. Your voice is crisp while the chaos fades away. Want to step into the magic? Just say, "Hey Siri, play your fave jam or check what's next on your schedule." You can even nod or shake your head to respond. These little guys give you up to 5 hours per charge. But wait, it gets better. 30 hours with the case. That's like the longest road trip playlist. And check this out. The case is USB-C now, smaller and sleeker than ever. No more bulky pockets, people. Gym rats and joggers, listen up. These earbuds are sweat and water resistant. Bring on the rain and heavy workouts. Setup? Super easy, just bring them close to your iPhone. Tap connect and boom, you're in. No hassle, just vibes. So if you're ready to level up your audio game, grab these now. You won't regret it. Trust me. Check the link in my description to snag your pair.